It has been way too long since the last video. We've been working hard to get this bike done and making a lot of filming that still needs to be editing, which is a massive pain, but we're getting through it. We did find that the cylinder is bad in this time lapse today, so new cylinder, new piston. There not only is visible damage on the inside of that cylinder, but you can feel a giant indent where there was some pretty bad piston slap. Update into the future, we did get it all put back together and it is just fine, and we also adjusted the valves, but that is in the next time lapse. Today we also disassembled the shock and started getting to work on preparing things for CERAKOTE, which turned out very well, and then we move on to tearing apart the shock and lacing up the wheels. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and please stick around to the end, because it will benefit you very greatly in the gift that you shall receive.